Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us. And right now gold is trading at 1950. This is the current market price of gold here. Yesterday when I uploaded the video, gold was trading here, and yesterday I suggested you all to avoid the market because we were kind of skeptical, not sure in which direction the market was moving. Okay, because after the report from IMF there was a sharp fall on the price of gold, and we were not sure whether gold would be able to take support here or not. But yes, gold did take support. Gold kind of recovered also, but again we can see that gold is showing some kind of weakness again. So overall, still we cannot be too sure that we have a trend reversal on gold again. Okay. Just make sure that you are following proper risk management this time, because as you know it very well that for the last couple of weeks market has been very volatile, my dear friends. Especially those traders who have very less capital right now, please focus on protecting your hard-earned money, protecting your capital right now, and if possible avoid gold as well. Right now trading at 1950 level. So the first important support for gold right now is 1939 to 1940. Let's try to understand levels one by one. So 1930, sorry, the first important level is 1939 to 1940. This is the first important support for the gold right now. Why this level is important? Because when this price was coming down, when this market was falling, this was the level that provided some kind of support to the market. Today we can expect that if market comes down to this level, gold will try to take support again. And as a day trader, yes, as a day trader, okay, you can expect that you can earn at least 40 to 50 pips in this zone here. So if gold comes down to this level of 1939 to 40, observe the market first. No level is permanent in the market. Observe the market first. If you see that price is bouncing from this particular level here, then only take a buy. And I think that there is a possibility of 40 to 50 pips earning potential in this zone here. Okay, 1939 to 40. Because this was the level that provided support to the market. Clear? Before this level, okay, we have another level around 1944. So before this important support here, we have another support around 1944. But keep in mind that the level of 1944 is not very strong. Okay, 1944 is not very strong. Why? Let me show you. Because the level of 1944 is derived from the Fibonacci retracement level. See, this is our Fibonacci, and you can see that we have 50% retracement level here. Last time market almost broke the Fibonacci level, but somehow you can see that 50% is still valid. Therefore, we can expect that right now, as you can see, market is coming down. So market will try to take first support. पहला support market लेगा और लेने की कोशिश करेगा. Will try to take first support around 1944. Okay, if market breaks this level, then 1939 to 1940 will be the next support for the market. So as of now we have two supports, but keep in mind both the supports are not very strong right now. 1939 to 1940 is more or less a good support, but 1944 we are still not sure. Okay, so be careful. If price bounces, then only take a buy. And the next important support, or the most strong support as for this market, at least for today, is 1915 level. This is the strongest support for the market right now. And then we have around 1890. That's a different chapter. This is too far. Okay, this is too far. No need to focus on this level. So as of now, 1944 is the first support, not strong. 1939 to 1940 is kind of okay support. If price bounces, then only take a buy position because both the levels are not strong enough. Otherwise, we have 1915 level also as the third support for the market. Okay, so these three are the support levels for the chart of gold right now. Let me take you to 15 minutes time frame once. See, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold. Okay, you can see that we can also draw a trend line here. If we join the dots here, then we can also draw a trend line here. So if market goes up, around 1956, around 1956, 1957, there is a possibility that market will reverse again around this level, because we have the 200 moving average, the red line, and as we all know, the 200 moving average is a respectable moving average around the world. So we can expect 200 moving average will provide resistance to the market, and then we also have the trend line. So we have two factors: 200 moving average plus the trend line. Both are dynamic resistances in the market. So there is a possibility that around this level, market will face some selling pressure. And if we also draw the Fibonacci retracement levels here like this, okay, you can see that around 1956-57, then we have the next resistance zone around 1960 to 1962. So the first support for gold is 1944. First support, okay, support 1, but not strong, not very much reliable. So be careful. 1939 to 1940, support 2, kinda okay, but only take a buy position if market bounces or if market shows price rejection from below. Then we have 1915 to 1916. This is kind of good support. Okay, not the strongest support, but a good support. Okay, this is our support 3 for the day. If price comes down to the levels, we can hope that market will obviously bounce from 1930 level. So these are the 3 support on the chart of gold for today. So, and on the higher time frame, we had no resistance. So as a result, we had to come down to the lower time frame, 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that the trend line is acting as resistance. Then we have the 200 moving average acting as resistance. So around 1956 to 57, there is a possibility that market will face some selling pressure. Then we have 1961 to 1962 as the second resistance for the market because of the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. And I think that this level will work very well. Why? Because let me tell you, okay, the possibility of this level is very high, because if I take you to the higher time frame, you can see that 1960 was the previously support for the market. Okay, so see here, previously this was the support for the market, so therefore there is a high chance that this same level will be acting as the new resistance for the market, and this is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, which gives us the additional confirmation. So therefore 1956-57 is a okay kind of resistance, but not much reliable. But 1962-61, I think this is a good resistance, at least for day trading purpose. Not the strongest resistance, but a good resistance for day trading purpose. If price goes up and reverses from there, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from above, you can definitely take a sell position. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.